How to draw an isometric books. First, setting your canvas. I have information for you here. Okay, I need the bookshelf that I just drew from the last video. First, try drawing the book on the shelves, and then just some part of the book will show. So I have to test it first. Think about when you put the color, what it will look like. And I want to draw 4 books, so there will be overlap. Erase the lines that overlap. Yet keep duplicate them and erase the lines. Now it's perfect. You can try put them in the bookshelf. To make the books look better, you can try put the colors and put them back on the shelf. Yes, it's perfect now. Now I can draw the right side of the books. I will use reference from the previous video. Alright, it's done.